Hello, and welcome to this course on the safe use of artificial intelligence, or AI, for all staff. AI is already a part of your working day, whether you realize it or not. AI tools offer real advantages, but they also carry risks. This course gives you a clear, practical understanding of both. On completing this course, you will gain a better understanding of what AI is and how it generates outputs, the risks of using AI at work and how to avoid them, why checking and verifying AI output is a professional responsibility, how to protect data and confidentiality when using AI tools, how AI can be used against you as a tool for fraud and deception, and how to build safe, responsible habits around AI use. In this program, we will explore the following sections. What is AI? Hallucination and accuracy. Data, confidentiality and privacy. Fairness, bias and discrimination. AI as a cyber weapon. And finally, practical rules and habits.